Hey guys, welcome back to Dad's Garage. In this video, I want to ask one question. Is that annoying to you? It annoys the crap out of me. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do this the right way to lubricate these so that you'll stop the squeaking noise. But first, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and we'll be right back with an easy fix for this problem. All right, so the tools you're going to need for this job is a punch, and I would get one that does not taper. So you see the tip of that is straight. Some of them taper as they go up. You don't want that because then you can get it stuck in the hole. You're going to need a small hammer of some sort and then some lubricant. I really like some of the synthetic lubricants because they'll last longer. I love this Super Lube. I use it a lot on a lot of different things. It's a multi-purpose synthetic grease. Lasts a long time. You can use a white lithium, something like that. I know a lot of people spray WD-40. Yeah, that'll solve it, but it's very short term because it's going to start squeaking again. Really the proper way to do it for a long-term solution would be to use some kind of synthetic grease, whether it be the Super Lube or whether you get some kind of white lithium, something like that. This is very simple. Just get up underneath the pin and just tap the pin and it'll start coming out. Try not to hit your trim so that you make your trim bang it up. But then you get your pin out and you see the dust that came out. That is just actually the coating on the pin that has actually been worn off. Put some grease down in the hole and then around the pin. And with that lubricant on there, the pin's going to slide a good ways in by itself. And then you can kind of move the door back and forth, and usually the pin will mostly fall in. You might want to tap it just a little bit. And that one is done. I'm going to wipe any excess off up here. The other thing about using like WD-40 and lubricants like that is it does leave a mess when you spray it. So I don't really like using WD-40 on them. You can see this right here. This is just the worn metal in the coating that's coming off of the hinge, both the inside of it and off of the pin of the hinge as that door opens and closes. Sometimes, once the pin goes up far enough to where your punch doesn't reach anymore, you'll need to get up under it like this and start working it. And moving the door around a little bit will also help it. And if you worry at all about the paint on top of the pins, which I really don't care one way or the other, but if you do worry about that, in this case especially because it's going to be behind a door, but if you do worry about it, you can get a soft, like a rubber mallet, something like that to pound them back in. All right, so now that we got all that done, we're just going to work this thing a few times, get that grease moved around it. No sound at all. So we're complete. Job is done. Now I've got about 4 more doors to go do. So anyway, pretty simple project. Most of you, or many of you, probably know how to do this already. But for those of you that don't, here's your solution to the squeaky doors. So we will catch you next time right here on Dad's Garage.